Put my boots on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This week we're actually doing some glamping out here in the winter of Utah. It is January 1st, so Happy New Year to everyone. We rented a cabin for the weekend. It's actually mine and Carly's anniversary, so we are celebrating. So instead of, freezing our butts off in a glamping tent like we did last year, I figured I would spoil Carly and actually get her a heated cabin this year. We're spending the next 2 nights here, and we're going to be doing some horseback riding, making some good food, and just relaxing and hanging out. Whew. It's time for some boots. So something new that I did add to the truck is a bullet point phone mount. So this is actually drilled into the top piece right here on the frontier. And this is one of the universal phone mounts, but it came with everything here, like the base mount and the phone holder itself. You can mount 2 things on it, one on the left and one on the right, and you can put another ball mount here up at the top. So it's been working pretty well. I like it, and it looks pretty good. Got a wet bar. Got a nice little bathroom. Got a fake little fire. To celebrate our anniversary, brought some bubbly. Cheers, Dad.
Cheers.
You should see the other guy. She's surprising me.
Tonight we're making an enchilada casserole. We've never made it before, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna take that rotisserie chicken that we got, put it in there with it, and we're gonna make the enchilada sauce, essentially, is what we're doing. So the enchilada sauce that we're using is the green chile enchilada sauce. All right, guys, now that we got the sauce going right now, we're gonna create our lasagna layers using some of these corn tortillas as well as these tahini tostadas. So we're gonna line the bottom of this with the tostadas so that the juices get kind of soaked into here and kind of break down that tortilla, but gives it that integrity. All right, guys, so after we've assembled all of the layers, I put a final layer of cheese on there. So we made ours pretty small, but you can make this as big as you want as long as you create enough enchilada filling. But what we ended up doing was doing 2 layers, one with the tahini chips and then the other one with just regular corn tortillas. Layered that up and then put cheese in the middle. And now we're just gonna let this sit. So after simmering on low for about 20 minutes, This is what the casserole's looking like. Pretty melted. It worked out well because we used the top lid as our sauce starter. So when we put it on top, it cooked pretty well with the bottom piece. So I just had a little bite of this, and I feel like it needs another layer of either tortilla or just something else to give it a little bit more crunch. I should have layered it a lot more, I think. Too much filling, not enough layers. So we put a little bit of the tahini chips on top, give it a little crunch. Let's see if that makes it a little better. Yeah, it's better with the little crunch on top, you know. All right, we're gonna dress this up.
Takes you.
Free shipping and return. Add new BFF on your support.
Johnson and Nicole Byer and Camille Costa host the TBS original Wipeout. All new episodes January 11th.
Good morning, guys. So we're just taking a little walk around the resort. There's a lot of different things that you can actually rent out here. You can rent these little yurts, or you can rent one of these cabins. I don't think the yurts have like a wood burning stove or anything, so I'm not sure if they are being used during the winter, but it's a pretty big resort. There's like a pool and stuff here, so we're gonna go walk around and kind of check it out. So last year when we were here, there was definitely not this much snow, so they got dumped on this year. There's like a whole game center. There's horseback riding, which we're gonna be doing later. Hi. Hi. You guys are tiny.
They're like Wilbur. Hey, bud.
Sorry we can't ride you guys today. The trails are too treacherous for us to take you guys out. Our horseback riding tour was unfortunately canceled because of the weather, so we ended up just walking around the property, playing some ping pong, hanging out with the animals, and just, you know, had a good time. It was relaxing. Back now at the cabin, we're making some dinner. Tonight we're making some smashed potatoes. We got some corned beef going, and we're also gonna have some Brussels sprouts. We got the corned beef cooking in the Instant Pot. This place has some electricity, so we might as well utilize it. And then we got the potatoes going over here, and then we'll soon be getting the Brussels sprouts cooking as well. So after we boil the potatoes, we smushed them down using a cup and then seasoned them a little bit, and now we're just gonna give them one more fry on the cast iron and then getting the Brussels sprouts going as well. The steam pot is almost done with the corned beef. Corned beef has been sitting for about 90 minutes, and then we're gonna let it slow release for 10 minutes, and then it'll be done after that. Got the smashed potatoes ready, Brussels sprouts are ready, and now the corned beef is ready. Okay. We've never made corned beef in the steam pot. We've seen it done, but this is the first time. I'm not sure if I should have trimmed the fat on top.
Let me ask you a question.
If you guys have any questions about the Ponderosa Ranch or anything, I'll leave all their information down below. If you guys are ever interested in staying at a cabin like this. Sadly, our horseback riding adventure yesterday was canceled, but nonetheless, we still had a good time hanging out, spending time together, and it was good to just kind of get out here, get in the snow. We haven't seen snow yet this winter. Also, I'll leave all of the recipes and stuff that we cooked down below as well, in case you guys want to cook it on your next adventure out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys like more videos like this, my name is Caden. I do a new video every week on pretty much anything outdoors, camping, hiking, fishing, adventure videos like this one. So definitely check out the channel if you guys are into that. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.